Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Tired of seeing your dreams buried under a mountain of bills? Today, I'm here to tell you something powerful. You don't have to die poor. You can rewrite your story, take control of your life, and become a millionaire. Yes, you, but first, you need to believe it's possible and commit to doing the work. Let's dive in. Here's the truth. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts in your mind. If you think wealth is only for the lucky or the privileged, you've already lost. You have to adopt a millionaire mindset. This means 1, stop making excuses. Excuses won't pay your bills. 2, take responsibility for your financial future. No one else will do it for you. 3, think long term. Millionaires don't chase quick fixes. They build wealth step by step. Start by asking yourself, what am I willing to do to change my life? The answer to that question will set the tone for your future. Becoming wealthy isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And to do that, you need knowledge. Financial literacy is the key. Here are some steps to get started. 1, understand how money works. Learn about saving, investing, and managing debt. 2, budget like a pro. Know exactly where your money is going every month. 3, invest in yourself. Read books, take courses, and learn skills that can make you more valuable. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley can completely change how you think about money. Knowledge is power, and when you apply that knowledge, it's unstoppable. The first step to becoming a millionaire is rewiring your mindset. Stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor. Poor people spend money to look rich. Wealthy people invest money to grow rich. Start asking yourself, how can I make my money work for me? Shift from I can't afford it to how can I afford it? Money flows to those who value it, respect it, and use it wisely. Millionaires don't just stumble into wealth, they plan for it, they strategize for it, and they execute relentlessly. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've done it. You've escaped the paycheck to paycheck trap. You're living life on your terms. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having choices. You can give back. You can take care of your family. You can travel the world or chase your dreams. That's what being a millionaire is all about. It's not just a number, it's a lifestyle. One source of income isn't enough if you want to become a millionaire. You need multiple streams of income. Here's how you can do it. 1, your job. Start by maximizing your income at your current job. Ask for a raise or upskill for a higher paying role. 2, a side hustle. Use your evenings or weekends to build something of your own. Freelancing, content creation, or starting a small business can bring in extra cash. 3, investments. Let your money work for you. Start with something simple like index funds or explore real estate. Remember, every dollar you earn is a soldier in your army of wealth. Put them to work. Fear is the biggest enemy of success. You might think, what if I fail? But here's the truth. Failing is part of the process. Every millionaire you admire today has failed at some point. The difference is, they didn't let fear stop them. Take action. Start small if you have to, but start. Invest $10. Open that savings account. Launch that side hustle. The first step might be scary, but it's also the most important. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency is what separates those who succeed from those who give up. That means stick to your budget every month. Keep learning and improving. Invest regularly, even when the market is down. Success doesn't come overnight, but with consistent effort, it will come. Trust the process and don't let setbacks discourage you. True wealth isn't just about the money, it's about the impact you can make. When you achieve financial freedom, you'll have the power to help others, support causes you care about, and create a legacy. Giving back is one of the most rewarding parts of becoming a millionaire. It's not just about getting rich, it's about living a life of purpose and meaning. Becoming a millionaire isn't just a dream, it's a decision. A decision to change your mindset, gain financial knowledge, and take consistent action. The road ahead won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember, you don't have to die poor. Your future is in your hands. Now go out there and start building the life you deserve. Subscribe for more motivation. Let's build wealth together.